Find or read reviews that people are talking about Mutaomay 3600 PSI Gas Pressure Washer, 2.3 GPM Heavy-Duty High-Power Washer with 212cc engine, 5 Quick Connect nozzles. 30 feet high-pressure hose and hose reel, maintenance-free aluminum axial cam pump. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. With 3600 psi and 2.3 GPM, the pressure washer removes stubborn dirt, moss, oil stains, and even old peeling paint in seconds, beyond ordinary models. Whether you are cleaning residential homes, maintaining vehicles and equipment, cleaning commercial and construction sites, cleaning agricultural and ranch facilities, or handling post-storm cleanup, it delivers pro-grade cleaning efficiency. The Mutaomay Heavy-Duty Gas Power Washer is powered by a 7 HP, 4-stroke, OHV, 212cc engine with a recoil start, ensuring max pressure output. The maintenance-free aluminum axial cam pump, built for longevity. The advanced design of the aluminum axial cam pump offers long-lasting durability and consistent performance for minimum maintenance requirements. Easily switch between 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. From high-pressure jets, 0 degrees, for deep stains to gentle 40 degrees spray for delicate surfaces, the washer easily covers every cleaning need for gutters, driveways, home exteriors, decks, fences, furniture, cars, RV, boats, or mechanical equipment maintenance. The 30 feet hose lets you clean larger areas without moving the machine, easily reaching all corners of your yard, garage, or outdoor space. The hose reel prevents tangles, makes storage fast and easy, saves time, improves efficiency, and keeps your space organized with minimal storage. Built with a rugged steel frame and corrosion-resistant coating, this gas pressure washer is made to last and is more durable than other high-pressure washers. The 10-inch flat-proof tires roll smoothly over dirt and grass, making movement effortless. No power outlets needed. Clean anywhere, anytime, from remote job sites to outdoor spaces. Use SAE 10 watt, 30 engine oil and gasoline, 87 plus octane, for optimal performance. The machine is factory tested so that a slight fuel odor may be present. Ensure the gasket is in place when connecting the water hose to prevent leaks. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.